Want a super easy way to boost your YouTube subscribers without even saying a word? Then let's dive straight into adding a subscribe button watermark to all your videos. Step by step. First, head over to YouTube Studio. You can get there by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner of YouTube and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look for the customization option in the left-hand menu and give it a click. This will open up the customization options for your channel. Now, click on the branding tab at the top. Here, you'll find the video watermark section. This is where the magic happens. YouTube recommends using a 150 by 150 pixel image, and it should be either a PNG, GIF, BMP, or JPEG file. Click the Choose Image button, then select the image you want to use as your subscribe button watermark. A transparent subscribe button image works best. Next, choose when you want the watermark to appear. You can have it show up at the end of the video, set a custom start time, or have it display across the entire video for maximum impact. I recommend choosing entire video. That way, no matter when someone is watching, they are reminded to subscribe. Finally, click the Publish button in the top right corner to save your changes, and just like that, you've added a subscribe button watermark to all your videos. Now sit back and watch those subscriptions roll in. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful YouTube tips and tricks.